Hi, welcome to SAP SD Insider, a complete SAP SD knowledge hub. Today, I will explain about inquiry, quotation, and sales order in SAP SD. Before going to deep dive, please subscribe my channel and please like and share my videos. And if you have any doubt, please leave a comment. I will reply. Okay. So after that, here I will explain the sales document type and the controls. Okay, so this is the first part I am doing for this. So because we have inquiry, quotation, and sales side are three documents we need to discuss. Okay, so it's a bit longer video will come. So that's why I have divided this into two parts. Okay, first in this part, I will explain the creation of this inquiry, quotation, and sales order, and the all tabs and fields we can discuss in this video. Okay, later in the part two, we can discuss about the configuration setup behind this inquiry, quotation, and sales order. So, okay, and don't skip the video. So if you want to learn um, SAP SD, then you have to see this complete video, then you will get complete idea about the inquiry, quotation, and sales area, sorry, sales order. Okay, so and the configuration settings behind this creation of this documents. Okay, so first I will explain the OTC process in this SAP SD and SAP. Okay, we already discussed earlier in the classes somehow, but I will explain now again the OTC process, because in the enterprise structure I already explained the OTC process, but in deep we can discuss now. Okay, we will get entry questions also in the OTC process. It's very important. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. Here you can see the OTC process. Okay, so inquiry, quotation, sales order, delivery, picking, packing, shipment cost, post goods issue, billing, accounting document. So this is the order of the OTC process as of now in the SAP. Okay, so here you can see a customer can come to the company. He will inquire he will inquire for some goods or some items. Okay, which is already manufactured in one company. So a customer or dealer will come and they will ask something about the items. Okay, so that is called inquiry. Okay, based on otherwise if otherwise the dealer is there, he will raise a PO to the company. So based on that PO, we are creating inquiry in the SAP. Okay, so this is the process will start from inquiry. Okay, so with this inquiry we are uh, based on this inquiry we are creating quotation also. We need to give some quotation to the dealer or customer. Okay, so uh, with the reference of inquiry, first of all, whenever the customer generally customer can send a PO to inquire the goods. Okay, generally customer can send the PO means purchase order. Okay, so uh, to inquire the goods based on that PO document, we can create a inquiry document in SAP system. Okay, this inquiry document will can into quotation. So we need to convert it into as a quotation, and we can send this quotation to the customer once customer is accepted. Okay, if he asks some changes based on that, we can create sales order in SAP. So whenever we are sending the quotation, he will ask for some changes. Okay, so we can do the changes in sales order level, then we can do the sales order. Okay, So that is that purpose we are using, and this is very very important inquiry, quotation, and sales order process. Okay, so here these are the all the processes, OTC process only, but it is start from inquiry. Today we are discussing about inquiry, quotation, and the sales order only. Okay, delivery, after sales order the process is the delivery. Okay, we need to deliver the goods. So these are all we need to discuss in the later classes. Okay, so one by one we are discussing now. In the delivery, picking is there, so post picking is there. We need to pick from the goods from plant. Okay, and packing, shipment, shipment cost, these three processes will under the LE module. LE module means it's a logistic execution module. Okay, LE module. So we are working on the same, that suppose in the SD we are doing OTC process. In this OTC process also we are need to interface with the different modules like LE and material management. Okay, and production planning, everything we need to some interface. Okay, there is a FI module interface, everything we need to work on. Okay, so that's why this is under LE module. These three steps are LE module. Okay, if really the company are which is having SAP as a system, then they have to they are, suppose they are manufacturing some goods, then they are only selling without any third party intervention. So they have to packing and they have to ship the goods to the customer, everything they have to do. So that time they will have a compulsory LE module also. Okay, so um, suppose once delivery completed, so we need to pick the goods, and we can do the picking, packing. And if we send these goods to the third party vendor, or if a company owns the shipments, suppose, so that's what I explained earlier. Okay, if the company having LE module, packing, shipment cost, otherwise without these three steps we can do the post goods issue. So if the company owns the shipment and everything, they need these all three step process. Otherwise, directly we need to do the post goods issue directly. Okay, so without LE module, there is a OTC process is there. With LE module, there is a OTC process is there. So in display, you are seeing with the LE module. Okay. So without LE module, that after delivery directly we can go to post goods issue. Okay. With LE module, we can use the packing, shipment, and shipment cost also. So this is about something about the OTC process in depth. Okay. So next, it is after shipment cost, there is a service entry sheet, and a PO is there to pay amount to the vendor. So this is under shipment cost. Okay, so that is under comes under the LE module only. This is special scenario actually. After we can post the post goods issue, in the post goods issue, accounting entry can be generated for the material. So post goods is why we are doing post goods issue means, suppose we are selling material from one company to the vendor, we need to um, adjust the ledgers. Okay, for material. So we are sending the material, that material should be less to the company and credit to the um, customer, right? So that entry we need to create. So that's why material document will be created when we are doing the post goods issue. Okay, so next step is billing. Billing means it is a generally it is called as invoice. Okay, so accounting document are not a billing document. Okay, next document is accounting document, is not a billing document, but along with the billing document we need to create a accounting document also, because it is a FI, under FI it is created. Okay, it's so the accounting document can be used by FI people. Okay, so we need to create, and they are using for their ledgers adjustment and GL account, everything. So it is posted to the GL account, and they are so yearly uh, auditing purpose it is using. Okay, so today I will discuss about the inquiry, quotation and sales order today. Okay, first I will discuss about how to create the inquiry, quotation and sales order. After that I will show you the configuration in the second part. Okay, so first of all we need to know how to create the inquiry, quotation and sales order. So for that we need to know the transaction codes for this. Okay, so these are the transaction codes you can see in the screen. Okay, uh, you can see the T code, purpose and inquiry, quotation and sales order. These are the transaction codes. So for creation of inquiry we have a VA11, and for quotation VA21, and for sales order VA01. Okay, VA01. And for change VA12 inquiry, for quotation VA22, for sales order VA02. For display, for inquiry VA13, for quotation VA23, and for sales order VA03. So this is a report. A report means the list of inquiries. So if you want a list of inquiries, so we need to use VA15N. So you will get the inquiries list, how much in system. Okay, and for a list of quotation you need to have VA25N. Okay, and for list of sales order in system VA05N. So these are the transaction codes we need to know, uh, and these are the yeah, you have to use these transactions to create the inquiry, quotation and the sales order. So anything, this is the purpose here. Now I'm going to enter here. I am going to create a inquiry now. Okay, just a second. I'm opening. Uh, Sorry. Okay, it is recording. Right. Okay. Here. Okay. Slash n VA11. So why I'm using slash n, right? So I am in, yeah, I am in existing screen. I want to execute new transaction, then you have to put slash n before. Okay, so that is the mandatory thing. If you want new screen, then you have to um, directly from here. So you want new screen from here, you have to use slash o va0 va11 like that. Okay, so I don't want this screen, I want new screen here only. So that's why I'm keeping here slash n va11. Okay, so keep enter. Now so, okay, so inquiry type is IN. Okay, IN, the document type is IN. So we will discuss this document types in later video, because I will explain when I'm going to configuration. Okay, so that is the second part of this video. So you can see there. Okay, so I am using here that inquiry type is IN, and my sales organization in the previous videos also I am doing like this only, with the same ZMK1, and distribution channel MK, division MK, and the sales office ZMKR, and sales group is ZNM. You don't need to enter these two last two, no problem. If you have, you can enter, no problem. Okay, but in the real time, if you the as per the company, as per the requirement of the company, you have to use this. Okay, now I'm giving enter here. You can see. So you need to enter the customer number here. Okay, my customer number is 1000211, and the PO number. So the customer will send the PO to you, right? So that PO number you have to enter here, and the PO date. Okay, PO date you can select. Suppose today he the customer has sent, and you have to enter today date. Otherwise, suppose yesterday date, if she sent yesterday, you can send yesterday date, like that. Okay, and the material, the what materials he is inquiring about. Okay, that material you have to enter. So give enter here. So my material is 2040. Okay, and here you can see we have this um, material, and I want to enter another material also here. Okay, another material also. My second material is 2037. Okay, so uh, I'm not done the pricing here because I want to show you how to create a new pricing procedure and everything. That's why I will make the video for the pricing, then you will understand how. That's why we are not getting any value here, but I am entering manually. So first of all, so go to conditions, then you have to put the condition type, and here something you have to enter. Okay, now the price will be added here. Okay, and for the second, so okay, second also directly you can go from there, no problem. Here we have a controls here. So mm, this is the 20 material, 20 item, and if you want to go to 10 item, you like this. Okay, you can. So I want to enter some price here because I need to enter manually because I'm not done the my own pricing procedure yet. Okay, so in the later videos I will explain you how to do this pricing and everything. This is mandatory for. Okay, so that's why I have done now. After this, I want to explain each and every field and every tab. These are the we can call it as a tabs. Okay, sales tab, item overview tab, item details, and everything. Okay, I want to explain to you. Okay, so um, just want to see here, we can go to sales tab first of all. Okay, so sales tab, here you can see some fields. So if you want to really want to know this, what is about this field means, go there, and you can select that, you can click that, and click F1, then you will get some information about that field. Okay, like this, you can say data type is of the requested delivery date. So what is this exactly? The purpose date, the proposal, so the proposed date by which the customer should receive the delivery of the goods. The date is proceed by the date type D. Okay, the determination and format of the day. So day, week, or month, the proposed delivery date is stored in the document header. So this is about this field. So this required delivery date means, so what about what about this field? You have to enter, click here and click F1, then you will get some information about that field. Okay, so first of all, I will explain every field if you want. Okay, just a second, I hear. Yeah, now required delivery date, so you know the required delivery date, so which gives the customer expected delivery date. Okay, and you can see here, you can see here the delivering plan means the which the goods delivered to. Okay, so I already assigned here in the item level, that's why no need to enter anything here. So valid to valid from. Okay, uh, these are all valid to means which valid from means the date this inquiry is valid from. Okay, and valid to means up to which date this inquiry is valid. Okay, and you can see here the total amount, everything, document currency. Okay, you are pricing date means which the pricing is calculating. Okay, and payment terms and incoterms. These payment terms and incoterms is copied from the customer master data. Okay, we are maintained this customer in customer master data. If you want to go, you can see, go to sales area tab, and you can check the payment terms and incoterms. Okay. And if you go to item overview, so this is the sales area, right? What is the sales area? Already I explained so many times in the previous videos also. This is the combination of a sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Okay, this is the very very important for our sales. And order region, you have to put some order region here. Okay, so then that is also very very important in the real time. So as of now, it is a test system, no need to give anything here. Okay. Now now in the item overview tab, you can see only simple data is there, valid from a valid to. Already we already discussed about this. Okay. And um, you can see the item details here. Item details, you can see the sales document item, it is a 10 item number is 10. Material and item category, it is also very very important. Okay, item details tab very very important, because in the latter part, we can discuss this item category. Based on this item category, we need to decide the behavior of the item, that means material, in sales order. Okay, how the pricing will be determined, how the um, scheduling will be determined. Based on this item category, we can decide. Okay. And you can so you get, these are all, right? Order quantity, everything, pricing date already, and after that, ordering party contains delivery party details here, delivering party details here. Okay, delivering and everything, delivery party details. Next, procurement. In the procurement, there is a availability check is there, availability check. Okay, so we can discuss that also in the later videos. So availability check is also one of the major topic in the sales process. We can decide the sales behaviors. So based on this, all the um, scenarios and this everything, we are deciding the material behavior, pricing behavior, everything. That's why we need to know everything: item category, schedule and category and availability check, everything we need to know. Okay, I will make this all videos in depth, and I will post in our channel. Please subscribe. Okay. And shipping tab, if you go to the shipping tab here, you can uh, details will come. Okay, shipping point, plant, everything will come here. Okay. And reason for rejection, if you go to reason for rejection, so if you want to reject any item here, you have to click here, and you have to give some reason. Then it will not be processed further. Okay, so it will not be add in the quotation in the next document, quotation. So it will not be add in the sales document as well, sales order also. Okay, so I will go to header level now. This is the first tab, sales tab. I will go to header. So you can see here, it is a header. Directly you can click here, then uh, it will uh, it will take it to the document header, inquiry document header. Otherwise, you can go to here and the header. Directly here you can, here also, like this also you can go. Now in the header, the first tab is sales. Okay, you can find all the details of inquiry type, and sales organization, distribution channel, division, and sales office, sales group, validity date. Okay, all details you can find here. Okay, and all the currency and currency conversion, pricing. Okay, currency conversion, pricing date. Okay, and pricing procedure, this is also very very important. What I'm told yesterday, sorry, before. So this is the standard pricing procedure, which is assigned already. Okay, I am using now. But actually I need to, I want to create a new pricing procedure, uh, and I will make the video. So pricing is very very important in the sales process. As of now, I am using standard, but I need to, I want to create a new pricing procedure, and I want to I want to make the video for that, and I will share you. Okay. And Here you can see everything, all details here. Okay, and I'm using the same customer group, and you can see customer group, price list, price group, this take everything we can get from the customer master. Okay, these are all details will come from the customer. This pricing procedure will be determined some different. Okay, it will define, it will be picking from the, it is a combination of customer pricing procedure, document pricing procedure, and condition type. Okay, so like that, so I will explain in the pricing class for this. Okay, next, we can go to the shipping tab. Here you can find all the customer master, those who will come here. Okay, and shipping point determination class I will explain video. I will make the video for the shipping point determination also. Okay, next, you can go to order confirmation. Here you can order confirmation, you can click here. Okay, then you will know the order will confirm or not. Okay, then, so order confirmation, everything come from this is come from customer master data. Okay, next, billing tab. Billing document level, in the customer master we have maintained incoterms and payment terms, those will come here. And billing date, it is proposed when we are doing the billing key. Okay, so when we are doing the billing, so system will propose the date based on the availability check and everything. Okay, so that purpose we are using. Now, next tab is accounting tab. Okay, so you can see here company code will be here, company accounting tab, company code. So you can see here company code to bill. Okay, so my company code is ZEN. Okay, so, and code you find, and account assignment group, which are maintained the customer master, and dunning everything, everything you can come from the customer master. Okay, dunning key and dunning block, everything will come from the customer master. Okay, and you go to the conditions. Here the condition, these are the based on the pricing procedure here. So in this, it is a very very important class. I will make the video, okay, for the pricing, very important, one of our SD. Okay, I will post a video on the channel. You can find here all the price, like base price, taxes, freight charges, everything will be there. So I will create the new pricing procedure based on the standard one. Okay, I will I will post the video. Accounting assignment. Accounting assignment, you can see here WBS elements are there. It will be here, generally it will be maintained in the item level. Okay, and partners, it is copied from the customer master. The partners is very very important, so to bill to payer and ship to, so these are all I explained in customer master data. Text, if you want to, if you want to maintain any text, which is we need to send to the customer or dealer, then you have to write here, then it will be populated in a uh, billing document output PDF. Okay, so then customer will know what is the text will maintain here, then customer will know. Okay, and I will do the text determination video also, because this is also one of the topic. Text determination class will be there, then I will post the video for that. Okay, and order data, you can see here order data, PO number is there, PO number what we entered, that is there, purchase order date, order type, everything will be there. Okay, and status profile, this is also very very important class we have. So in the real time it is very very important. When we have a status profile, means whenever we are creating sales order, sometimes a business requirement, we need some external approvals. Okay, from separate department. So whenever customer want to create, customer has come to company, then we need to create a sales order. The user has creating sales order, then for doing that sales order, sales order creation is will be completed, but it will be approved from some other department, then only it will process in the system. So that type of status profile we need, okay, requirement. Okay, then we need to maintain this status profile. I will post the video for this also. Okay, the responsible person will approve the then only we can do the sales order process, sales process, like creation of sales order and everything like that. Okay, so that purpose we are using additional data A and B. Here these are the empty tabs. Whenever we need, if you want more fields, okay, if you want more fields, we for other purpose and other processes, we can write a functional specification and we need to give the abapper. Okay, we need to work with the abapper, then they will create some new fields here in this space. But then we are using we can use the fields for the other processes. Okay, now I want to go to item level. Okay, so go to item level. I double click here. You can go to sales A tab. Sales A tab. You can see uh, order quantity, everything we can find here. Order probability is 30% because it is an inquiry. Only customer or dealer is inquiring the goods, so it is a 30% probability. When comes to quotation, it will be 70% probability because we are giving quotation to the customer, dealer or customer. Okay, when it is creating complete sales order, then it is a 100% probability. Okay, so when I will explain this in the document controls in the second part. Okay, next sales part 2, you can find here the product hierarchy. Okay, hierarchy, material group, whatever we have maintained material master, those will come here. Okay, and shipping tab, you can see here the plant shipping point. Okay, plant shipping point, incoterms, payment terms, sorry, shipping point, route determination. Okay, route determination, that is also very very important. And maximum partial derivatives we can get from the customer master and customer master info record. Okay, we already I post the video, you can see the, so that video is CMIR, customer master info record. The video is available on our channel, you can go and watch. Okay, then you will get some idea about that maximum partial derivatives, everything. Okay, these net value, weight and volumes all are copied from the material master. Okay, next billing document level, you can see billing document level, incoterms. Okay, payment terms, everything will copied from the customer master. Okay, and accounting assignment group, account assignment group for the tax classification. Okay, incoterm payment terms, so you can see this will be find account assignment group for the material is getting from the sales are 2. Okay, so where is it is account assignment group. Okay, here account assignment group delivery partner. Okay, account assignment group, here you can see account assignment group for the material is 03 finished goods. Okay, it is come from the material master. This incoterms payment terms will come from the customer master. So these are all copied. Now go to the conditions. So in the header level we are cumulative um, conditions. Okay, cumulative pricing is there in the header level, but it is an item level. For particular item, what is the amount, what is the rate, so we can see here. Okay, so for the conditions, one is for the material 10 20,000, and for the material 220,000, like that. Okay, so you can see here. And now account assignment, here account assignment we can send our revenue and cost details through three ways. Actually here you can see three ways. One is profit center. Okay, and PS module, WS elements, and internal order, which is created by FA people. then you can provide here, need to enter. Okay, this is the real time 100% we can use. Okay, but it is a test system, I'm not using anything. But profit center or WH element or order, internal order, anything you have to, in this three you have to use. Okay, so it is a completely integration with the FI. Okay, accounting, all accounting will integration with the FI. Now schedule lines, you can see material confirmation quantity. Okay, confirmed quantity, availability date based on the availability check. Okay, and it will determines for this delivery date and inquiry of the material, and loading, everything is available here. Okay, so here you can see the schedule line category. This is also very very important. This schedule line category for inquiry is 80. Okay, so I will show you the item category also here. Okay, and you can go to partners. You know this, right? It is completely from customer master data and text. In the item level, if you want to see this text, okay, you can maintain. You will be displaying the output of the invoice. So next, order data. You can see here the PO number, everything. These are all as per the header level what we have, like that we have here as well. Okay. So customer material is this is copied from customer material info record. Okay. Next, um, status profile. Okay, if you want to maintain the status profile, then in the item level you can maintain. Okay, and additional tab, additional A, additional B. Okay, these are all explained. If you want to add extra fields, and then you can use. Now save the inquiry. I will save this. Okay, go back, and before going to save the inquiry, you have to go to edit and check the incomplete log. See if the document is completed or not. So here system is given document is completed. Now I'm going to save this. Okay, so I'm saving the inquiry now. So it is saving. Yeah, it just take a while because it's very slow now. So you can see 1000005. So it is saved. Okay, so what transaction I am using for creation, VA11. So if you want to change this, go to the transaction VA. You can see the transaction here, VA12. Okay, VA12. So if you want to change this, you can directly go to VA12 and enter the number and give enter. And you can, if you want to change any information, then you can change, otherwise no need. If you want to display this, then the transaction code is, you can see VA13. Okay, so VA13 also directly you can go to VA13, then enter the number, it will take like this. Okay, so you cannot edit here. This is the display transaction. Okay, so this is about inquiry creation, and that all the fields, and which is copied from what are the fields copied from customer master data, and what are the fields copied from the material master data, everything I explained here. Now I am going to create a quotation here. So for the quotation, you know, right, we need to use VA20, VA21. So it will not allow because, so I am in this screen, we need to enter slash and first. Okay, then it will allow. Now here this is the VA21. So we need to create a quotation. The standard quotation type is, order type is QT, and my sales organization distribution channel division. So here we need to give, so in the document control, suppose QT standard. So if you want to enter, the system can allow. Suppose I am done the enter, so system will allow. But we need to have a configuration setting for the reference mandatory. Okay, so you can see, I will go back. Here you can see create with reference. So when you are enter here, so when we are enter here, system will not allow. So system will ask some reference. You need to enter some reference inquiry number. So that setting will be there in the document controls. I will explain in the second part. This is the mandatory configuration settings. Okay, so if you need, you can keep reference mandatory. Then system will ask when you are entering. System will pop up like this. You need to enter the inquiry document number. Then only, so you system will allow you to create a quotation document. Okay, so like that, click with the reference. I have done this, and now we want to open the inquiry type, inquiry. Okay, so what I'm done here, I have done with the material. I am searching with the material. Okay, so we have a three inquiries now. I This is the inquiry type I have created just now. And if you here you can see, copy means all item will come. Okay, copy means all items will come. Item selection, which item you want, you can create quotation. If you want to do the quotation for one item, suppose I am clicking here. So if you want to mm, do the quotation for one item, then um, change to change quantity, everything you can do this. Okay, if you have a select only one item in the quotation, all fields are same, because copying controls same screen sequence are used. Okay, so I will show you that as well. Okay, so you enter PO. Suppose here you can see, I am, if you want to select only one, then copy here. Okay, then in this quotation, only one item will copy. The second item will not be copied, because you are selected only one item, like that. Okay, so here enter PO number, same PO number and same PO date you can enter. Okay, you can see here item category, right? Something, right? Okay, you can see here item category AGN. Okay, this is the standard item category for quotation. Okay, and scheduling category I will show you, schedule and category also. So these are all fields and tabs, everything is same as like inquiry. Quotation and inquiry both are same. Only one difference is the item category and schedule and category. Okay, so if you go to header, then here you can see all fields are the same. Okay, and if you go to item level, here schedule lines. So here you can see the standard schedule line for the quotation is BN. Okay, so I will explain this in this video only. I will give one table for this. You have to by heart, or you have to remember those are the standards, and you will get some interview questions on this as well. Okay, now I want to save this. Okay, so once you can go to the conditions, you will get so here also you need to enter some pricing, because I'm not done the pricing yet, that's why it is asking every time. No problem. Okay, so you need to check the document is completed or not first. Okay, I think it will ask some quotation value too. So so we need to enter some data, because this quotation is valid to which date. After this date, we need to we will not consider about this quotation. Okay, like that we need to give. So now you can check and in completion log, now the document is completed. So I will save this. Okay, so the quotation I have created, inquiry I created, quotation also I'm creating. Okay, so it is created now, and the fields and tabs, everything are same as per the inquiry and the quotation, both are same. Now I'm going to create the sales order. Okay, so for sales order you need to enter VA01 creation. Okay, so here also same thing. So if you want to create with reference of the quotation, okay, same, we want to know same. I'm searching with the material. A lot of options are there here. You can by customer, by document, anything you if you want. Okay. So this is the quotation I have created just now, and item selection only one item is there. That's why I'm copying everything here. Okay. Here you can see. So everything is copied from the quotation, and you can see enter. You have to enter the PO number. Okay. If you want to change the PO number, suppose the middle of the process, the customer come with a different PO number, then you have to enter here like that. Okay. So copy it is select copy everything will be quotation. Okay, sales order. Okay, if you select item, so it's already explained, I think. Okay, right. Now going to check the uh, going to check the item category here, TAPA. So this is already I have maintained a customer material info record for this material. That's why we have a TAPA. But actually the uh, standard item category for any material is TAN. Okay. Suppose I am entering new material here. Okay, and one uh, you can see here there is a tan here. Okay, tan. So I want to show you the schedule line category as well. The standard schedule lines category is CP. Okay, in for order, sales order. So it is also CP. Yes, and the conditions you can see there is a amount here, but for the second item we don't have any amount. We need to enter something because I'm doing manually. So automatic update of pricing also is we know. Okay, for the condition records we need to maintain some condition records, then automatically whenever we are entering the material, system will automatically calculate the amount and it will display. So no need to enter manually, but that will be explained. I will explain in the later classes. Okay, now something you can see here, schedule line CP I already explained, right? You can see here schedule line CP. So sometimes service order or the TAD and the CD will become. Okay. Service order means service material. For service material, the schedule line will be CD. So it will be change and CN will be there without MRP. Okay. There are all dates and everything. System will be not check. Will not check. Okay. So this is the sales order inquiry and quotation. Okay. So I will save this document. So before going to save this, and I need to um, check the incompletion log. So document is completed. Now I'm going to save this. Okay, right. So system is saving the sales order now. So this is about all creation um, and here also you can see in the sales order. I want to show you one more thing. Change, suppose change. This is the sales order I have created just now. So click enter. You can see if you want to go, if you want to know the what is the what is the use of this particular fields and everything. Okay, so you just go here and click F1. You will get some information about that field. Delivering plant, suppose one is external. Okay, one or external plant from which goods should be delivered to the customer. Okay, use the plant automatically copied into sales order item as the default value. Okay, procedure, if there is a no default value, then when you process the sales order item, enter the delivery plan. Okay, the value proposed into the item is either. Okay, from the customer master records. Okay, customer master records of the goods recipient are from the material master record. So I have maintained customer material info record also. If you, that will be copied here. Okay, so these are all, if you want any field use, then you can go and click there and click F1. Then you will get some information about that field, and you will let uh, get to know. Okay, so this is about all creation of and explaining about all inquiry, quotation, and sales order in the OTC process. In the last part, I will explain you. Uh, I will show you just a second. This is the OTC process. I explained already this one. Now see the item category and scheduling category. Okay, schedule line category actually it is. Okay, not scheduling. uh, Type item category, scheduling category. So inquiry, these are all standard ones. Okay, you will get some interview questions on this also. Item category, AFN for inquiry, and scheduling category AT, and item category AGN for quotation, and scheduling category BN, and item category for sales order TAN standard, and scheduling category is CP. So this is very important. Please remember this. Now I will design this video in the two parts because it is very more information we have. That's why configuration everything I explained in the part 2, and item category creation, sales order. So you can see here. So what we have discussed in the part 1: creation of inquiry explaining all fields, and creation of quotation explaining all fields, and creation of sales order and explaining all fields, and item category and scheduling category standards, standard ones, and part 1, in the part 1 transaction codes for inquiry, quotation, and sales order I explained up to here in the part 1. And in the second part of this video, we are get to know about the sales of document creations and controls, like inquiry, quotation, and sales order. So we are call uh, we are calling as a sales documents. These are all we are calling as a sales documents. In this sales documents, inquiry is one of the type, and quotation is one of the type, and sales order is one of the type. The standard inquiry is IN, standard quotation is QT, and standard sales order is OR. Okay, next, item category creation and item category assignment. Okay, how the item category will be determined in the sales order item level, like that. Schedule and category creation and assignment. So later we are discussing about the question and answers for this topic. Okay, this is everything about sales order, inquiry, quotation, and sales order, uh, part 1 video. Please subscribe my video. I will make the videos every week, and I will post into the channel. Please subscribe my channel, and um, just learn the SAP and settle well. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone. And I will make this part 2 video very soon, and I will post you. Then you will get to know everything about the inquiry, quotation, and sales order process in the OTC and the SAP SD. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, everyone. We'll meet again in the next video. Thank you.